Hello, I'm Dr. Igor Simonov, and today I will continue to explain how I use pulse map method in acupuncture for instant pain relief. Pulse map is the method based on the explanation of the acupuncture pulse diagnostic in Nanjing, 5th difficulty. So today we will use pulse map method with a special technique for treatment of pain or any condition which gives the instant pain relief. This technique named 8 3 grams balance. Here we have the two pulse maps of the different patients. Again, I will explain that we have here the meridians of the lung, heart, pancreas, liver, right kidney, left kidney, large intestine, small intestine, stomach, gallbladder, zanjiao, and the urinary bladder. Here two pulse maps of two patients with absolutely different symptoms. One is the male he had the gout, very strong pain on the metatarsal area of the right foot, and the other patient is the female with the trigeminal neuralgia in the right mandibular area. So we can see here what happened with the first patient. His lung pulse shows that lung meridian has the movement corresponding to the fire. The heart meridian, the movement correspond to the metal, and here is the other meridians. What we can see here we can see the large intestine corresponds to the movement of the fire. It's the level of the small intestine. But what's interesting, the stomach meridian, we see how different it's from its position, original position, where it should be, and the movement of the stomach meridian is metal. So here's the spleen, which should be connected like external internal with the stomach. Spleen has the movement of the earth, and stomach has the movement excess of the metal. So here we have the projection of the stomach meridian, and with a very strong pain. Here I will explain the meridian of pulse map of the patient with trigeminal neuralgia. So here's again the Zhang organs, and here we have the 4 organs where we can see again the difference, where stomach movement should be the earth, but in reality our patient comes with the movement of the water in the meridian of the stomach. So we can see that this meridian is actually in deficiency, and here again we have the projection of the stomach meridian with the pain. So despite these two patients has absolutely different symptoms, the pain in a different area, we use the special method of the balancing of 3 grams. Here we have the hexagram made by 2 3 grams with the name Kun. Each one represents the stomach meridian. With its development, we have, with normal development of this hexagram, we have in the bottom, it is the trigramm Li, and in the top, trigramm Dui. Trigramm Li correspond to the spleen, and we will use the point low of the spleen meridian, Gunsun, and here this trigramm Dui correspond to the heart meridian, and we will use we will do some acupuncture on the heart meridian, symmetrical to the pain area. So which point we will use on the heart meridian for this patient with the gaute, with the strong pain in the right foot? We will use left hand heart meridian, and we will use point which is shown by our pulse map, the point corresponding to the metal, the point Lin Dao on heart meridian. So for this patient with the gout, with the strong pain in his right foot, we use just 2 points, Lin Dao on number 4 on the heart meridian, which correspond to the metal, and Gun Sun number 4 on the spleen meridian, which is a low point of the spleen meridian. After puncture of these 2 points, patient just in 5 minutes, moving his right foot, found that actually redness and the swollenness start to disappear, and foot become more and more cooler. So he could, after the treatment, he could stand and walk away without any pain in his right foot. For this patient with the trigeminal neuralgia, we use again the same 2 trigramms, hexagram, which correspond to meridian of the stomach. And again with the development, we have Gunsun on the point number 4, low point on the spleen meridian, and the Lin Dao point number 4 on the heart meridian, because this heart meridian also has the metal movement. So once we did this treatment, patient in 1 minute didn't have any pain at all in her face, where it was very painful, trigeminal neuralgia, that she couldn't sleep. So in this case, we see again that how we use the pulse map, we actually can find which movement we have in each meridian, so we can use particular points of this movement, say the metal, the water, whatever it is in this particular meridian, using the method of the 8 3-grams balance method of this development of the hexagrams, which brings us instant relief of the pain and of the condition. Later this patient came in 1 week without any pain in his right foot and without any pain in her right side of her face.